An armed person held a one-person protest at the corner of this busy intersection in Butte while openly carrying an AR-15 rifle and a concealed handgun. Danielle Meeks received some support from passing motorists and some jeers as well.
Just some middle fingers, drive-by talking, you know.
Meeks stood at the intersection of Harrison Avenue and Cobbin Street, waving an anti-Joe Biden flag while wearing tactical gear with a rifle in plain view and a concealed .45 caliber handgun.
People are tired of Joe Biden's war on guns. It ain't the guns' fault, it's the people's.
Some business owners in the area say they have no problem with someone protesting, but they found the firearms disturbing.
It's President's Day. He has a right to protest. If he don't like the president, he has a right to do that. He shouldn't have the gun standing alongside of him. Whether it's loaded or unloaded, he shouldn't have had the gun.
Do you think people could be nervous seeing somebody on a corner with this much armament?
Probably, but their feelings doesn't really matter to me. It's what the law is and what's my rights.
And it's your
they have a right not to like it. I have a right to do what I'm doing.
Police received some complaints, but said Meeks, as of that morning, wasn't threatening anyone. Montana law allows people to open carry firearms and concealed firearms without a permit. Some say Meeks' method of protesting could be alarming in this time of gun violence.
We can be sensitive to his desire to have the right to keep and bear arms, which most people are. He needs to be sensitive to the feelings of other people who find that a fearful situation.
In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.